Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm building ICM's I-16 with a base where the plane's going to sit on, and I thought this was a really enjoyable kit. I didn't find many issues with it at all. There are a few minor fit issues, but they're nothing major. A little bit of sanding, a little bit of filling was fine. Of course I used Revel Contact to cement for gluing the parts together. It's like my favourite glue at the moment with a needle applicator. And on another note, I apologise for the mic quality. I still can't get my microphone to work, and I won't be able to buy a USB port one until maybe next year, because I'm currently working on buying a car, which kind of takes a bit more priority over the microphone at the moment. For the filler, I used the Humbrol filler as it's the only filler I've got, and to be honest, it works completely fine. I put it on and then I take it off. And that's how you use filler, and it filled that gap perfectly, as you'll see in like the photos at the end. There's no gap there, which is good, which is what we like to see. For the main colour of the aircraft, I can't remember what it was off the top of my head, but I'm gonna go with it was Humbrol 30 because it looks like that to me, but it could also be one of my attacker paints, but like I said, I can't remember off the top of my head. But either way, it came out great, and after a few coats it came out looking really good, and I'm really happy with it. For the underside, I used Attacker Intermediate Blue. I think it was Attacker Intermediate Blue. Like I said, it was a while ago and I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, this one came out really well as well. And yeah, as you can see, there's a few scratches on the underside, but those aren't really that noticeable anymore. Like I mentioned before, I wanted to have a go at Scratch building a diorama. So Model Minutes, I don't know if you've seen his videos before, you probably have if you're on this channel. He did one a very long time ago, well not a very long time ago, but a decently long time ago, where he cut up some card and glued it to a picture frame, or a bigger piece of card, sorry. And so that's basically what I followed for this one. That's what I did, and to be honest, the card came out really nicely. It was painted with a dark sea grey, and yeah, it came out really nice. I did just, like you saw there, I used a piece of tape to roll some of the air bubbles out the card, and that one also worked quite well. PVA worked well as well, so Cat couldn't really have asked for a better result from this first bit. I also decided to put some PVA on the gaps between where the card is. You can see them in this clip here. I put some PVA in there, and then I got some lichen, and that's what it's called. And then I just put that on top of the glue, and that made the air food look like it was a bit old and run down. And it came out with a result I'm really happy with. It just adds a bit more depth to it instead of just the mismatched shaped piece of card. Also, I painted the edges of the board with Attacker Jet Black. That came out alright. In future, I think I'll probably use like a wood or some card of some description just to put on the side to make it look a bit nicer, so you can sort of still see parts of the foam showing through. But with that, I want to thank you all very, very much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will leave you to enjoy the gallery photos. Thank you very much.